All right, independent client Henson came out here to install their laundry room cabinets. Let's start with this section. I put all the touch-up kits in this cabinet right here. So these cabinets came with 3 shelves. Talked to the customer, they only wanted 2 shelves above the washer. So that's the only thing that has changed. Kept all the 3 shelves. Another cabinet. Here's our sink base. There's that extra shelf. Here is my cutouts. I had to make these a little bit wider than usual because they left the valves on there. And other than that, that works out pretty well. Made this square and everything. But other than that, that wraps up this install. Thank you.